going to do another safe and sane demo for you. But before we get to this freaky looking psycho Firework, say hello to up here, the one, the only Sergeant Pyro. Sergeant Pyro, what in the world do we have? What happened to this person?
I don't have a clue, but it's a psycho peacock, okay? And it's from Miracle Fireworks.
Whoa! We're gonna zoom in here for a moment. By the way, everybody, Ziggy's here. Say hello to Ziggy! All right, yeah, Ziggy's kind of a little freaked out here. There's Miracle Fireworks. This is really cool. So this is a 500-gram fountain, maximum charge. And let's flip it forward here for a moment. There we go. So when we do this one, it's telling us that this side here has to be for the show. So for a better view. So we'll do that. We got some pretty good, let's see here. We got some, that's okay. We got some images of what it's gonna look like. All right, and then I think you found a description or a performance there, Sergeant Pyro. There we go. All right, Ziggy, there you go. Earn your minimum wage. All right, great 500-gram fountain with cool multi-effect. Purple spring to red, green, winter sweet. Magic flower with orange blue. Silver willow with red strobe. Blue spring to snow crescent with green, yellow, purple pearls. Absolutely awesome. Now, time effect, you can see what it says there. We got every color almost under the sun. So, Sergeant Pyro, let's go ahead and we'll flip it around one more time. There we go. Now, Sergeant Pyro, a lot of people will ask me, BBQ Rando, you demo really great, safe and sane fountains. Yes, where do you get them from? So where can they get this?
Santan Fireworks.
SantanFireworks.com for your favorite and the best safe and sane fireworks you can get in Arizona and New Mexico. SantanFireworks.com. Click on the tab for locations. 60 locations in Arizona, 2 locations in New Mexico. They have the biggest selection, the best quality, and the lowest prices possible. Don't go to the other guy. Back up that truck, take your pennies, or take your dollars, and get on over to Santan Fireworks. Whew! All right, Sergeant Pyro, are you and Ziggy ready to head out to the street pad and light up Psycho Peacock?
Yes, sir.
Oh, I can't wait to see this guy get even crazier. Let's go! All right, we got Psycho Peacock out on the street pad. Go, Sergeant Pyro! All right, Ziggy's ready. This guy looked crazy. Whoa! Whoa! I know. Yeah. Oh, here we go. We got 3 tubes coming up. Whoa! Whoa, those fish! Whoa! Incoming, Sergeant Pyro. We should have got Ziggy a helmet.
Yeah, I think so.
Yeah. Whoa! Whoa! Oh, those things are all... Whoa! I think one just shot through my legs. I'm okay, everybody. Whoa! Whoa! Purple galore on the bottom. Done. Whoa, hey, you know what? We have a nice. That's not a tiki torch. That's like an entire house on fire. BBQ! Time to eat. We gotta put the burgers on.